What's up, guys? It's Desert Bug Out. I'm back with another video. This one is the 2.05 scale M4/AR15. That's by Alloy Army. That's out there. So this one is the same scale as the Alloy Empire, the bigger pistols. Also same scale as the Goat Guns 1911. So let me show you. So this is how I got mine. I know that I've seen online that it was a black box and it had it said Alloy Army and all that on it. But when I got mine, this is how mine came, in a plain brown box. It didn't come in the original Alloy Army box. So let's see. Let me show you how it came. Okay, so it just came like this with these pink little foam pieces, and then I had this black foam piece on top. I'm willing to bet the black foam is probably from the original box, because I mean, obviously the cutouts. But I don't know why. I got mine off of eBay from the same seller. That's, I think he's the only one on eBay that has them. But I got them from him, and this is how it came. I don't know why he doesn't send the original box, but it don't matter, because what matters is what's on the inside. Mine came with a stand. I'm hearing from a lot of people that theirs aren't coming with a stand, and one of my buddies actually asked the seller about the stand, and he said that the manufacturer isn't sending the stands anymore, or something like that. So a lot of people aren't getting the stand, but I was lucky enough to get one. So this is what the stand looks like. It has the Chinese markings. Probably says Alloy Army on it, I bet. But yeah, put that off to the side. It's supposed to come with 8 rounds, but mine only came with 7. I was missing a round, so I don't know. The trade-off, I guess I don't know. I'd rather not be missing anything, but a round for the stand, I don't know. Anyways, but the rounds are really cool. They're two-tone. I don't know if you can quite see that, but it's a copper on the top and like brass on the bottom. Pretty cool looking. And then we have the mag. Comes with a little bottle of oil, so you can keep your little miniature, keep your little M4 oiled. And it comes with some tools, a couple of Allen wrenches, and this is I don't know what this tool is for yet, but I'm sure I'll find out soon. Let me know in the comments what this tool is for. I haven't taken this thing apart yet, but it comes with 2 little Allen wrenches. And just a heads up, one of these Allen wrenches is the perfect size to adjust your extractor if you have the Sten MK2. So we're gonna put that in there. I'm gonna move this. Oh, so this is the top half. And you can take the bolt out. You gotta obviously pull this out too, but I'm not gonna take it apart or anything like that. Not on this video. Just gonna show you. And this is the lower part. And it comes just like this, apart, obviously. To put it together, you gotta push these pins. You gotta push those in. Or out, I guess. And then you take the upper, match up like that, and then you just push these pins back in. Boom, assembled, just like that. Okay, now let's play with it. All right, so just to show a comparison, this is the Aloe Army one. Oh, let me show you the markings too. Has the markings Colt. Pretty dope. The handguard is plastic. The barrel and all that. This is all metal. This is all metal. Metal right here. Mag is metal. This is plastic, and the buttstock is plastic too, but adjustable. You can push the forward assist in. That button. It's like that. This comes off just like the real thing. I'll pull it off. I'll show you. Oops. See, it's got the rails. Now I've seen some accessories for this thing online. Unfortunately, they're on sites that we here in the United States don't have access to, as far as them shipping to us. But there was some pretty cool stuff. Pretty cool stuff. Go to Taobao.com, Taobao.com, and check it out. They got some really cool stuff. Let me compare to the Goat Guns M4. So here's a size comparison. 1/3 scale, 1 2.05 scale, and but almost identical. A little more detail on the bigger one, but I mean it makes sense. It's bigger, so it's easier to put more detail into it. But pretty cool. Don't ask me which I prefer because I like both, and I like the idea of the smaller one, easier to display, and the bigger one is just just super cool, fun to play with. This one's fun to play with too, though. But anyways, let's see. Let me compare. So this is a 1 2.05 scale Alloy Empire Beretta, or M9. Here's the comparison. As you can see, it's the same scale. Right next to each other. So pretty cool. And let's put some rounds in it. So this, you stack them in. Oops. Just stack them in on top. Like that. Just like that. Put the clip in. That just cycled. That just put a round in. I'll show you. Shell eject. And you can use this button to pretty cool. I wonder, actually. Oh, it does stay open after the last round. There you go. You can pull it out, put a new one in, and then boom. Yep. So that is the Alloy Army 1 2.05 scale M4 next to the Goat Guns 1/3 scale M4 next to the Beretta 1 2.05 scale. Oh, let me show you before I end this. Let me show you the stand, how it looks or how it works. So basically, the mag, it has a little space for the mag to go into, and then the grip goes on that piece like that, and it just holds it like that. It's beautiful, just like that. All right. Well, thanks for watching. If you like my video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and let's get some let's get these things popular so these companies will make more. So anyways, thanks for watching. Peace.